Have you been wondering how to use the app AppClose? The app claiming to be America's co-parenting destination app? In this video, I'm going to give you a simple breakdown on how to use this app on your iPhone. Let's dive right in. So first, of course, you're going to want to get it on your home screen like me by downloading the app. So head over to the App Store, look up AppClose, and download it. After it's all downloaded, go ahead and open it up. Once it's opened up, we're going to want to get started. Click Get Started at the bottom. It's going to ask us to sign up here. Verify your email. This is what the verification email should look like. Once we're all through, it's going to want us to make our profile. We could skip this for now. Here's what the inside of the app looks like. You're able to create a circle with a parent or join with an invite code. In addition, you could look at your parenting calendar and you could add expenses, requests, events, activities, and even more. We could change the colors for each calendar. I want my parenting calendar blue, expenses red, events orange, and custom purple. And now we have a calendar right here where we could add different swap dates, drop off, pickup, other reimbursements, expenses, and even events. This is a really, really good tool for putting all your parenting information on a calendar that both parents can easily see and converse with back and forth. You even have monthly spending at the bottom, as well as monthly requests, reimbursements, and notes. There's also a chat. In this, you're able to chat with the co-parent that you share the app with. This lets you chat with a co-parent without keeping their number, without maintaining common forms of communication, and keeping it private only when you need to. Here you could add your funding all in one place. You could track and receive payments through the app directly, a very, very helpful tool. And finally, the homepage makes the schedule look very gamified, showing all the dates with events, expenses, and everything that's going to come up in a very easy scrollable format. Now let's take a look at some of the things not shown directly on the app. It claims that the app is downloaded by 2.4 million co-parents. It's the only court-recommended co-parenting app, which would be a very, very high recommendation. And it's recommended and ordered by courts in all 50 states, which is very, very interesting. You're able to try every feature free for 60 days with no upfront payment required. And after that, it's $8.99 a month. They even offer a fee waiver if families are in need and unable to pay the $8.99 a month. A very helpful add-on. If you're debating whether you really want this app, go on the AppClose website and look through their pros and cons, their other resources, their policies, and online reviews to judge whether this is the right app for you. If you found this tutorial helpful and you think you can understand how to use AppClose now, leave a like and subscribe to Howard How To's for more simple tutorials and review videos just like this one.